Welcome to my channel, transforming your living space into a world and invited. Have do not have to be any our one task when it comes to home decor. One style and timely material stayed out wood with its natural beauty, durability and versatile would any effortlessly add mood and chapter into any room. All of the simplest where are way to incorporate mood into your house decor is by creating a statement wall of other far decorating would pick to install wooden on to install adding textile and due to your living room or bedroom. This focal point while creating a cozy and humble ambition make your space for welcome and exude wood accent. Small wood accent can make a big impact. Consider incorporating wooden ambition through decor themes like photo frame, shape, or wood plant. Them action provide a original to and create mixer institute in any room. Export being if you have high grading export wooding being can adding actually inviting and a season or gardening to your home. Those being can be left natural printing in a considered color combination visual over art decor schedule export being work exportly well in living room kitchens or every bedroom adding a relaxed charming to this space. Outdoor decking expert the beauty of what of your of to your outdoor living space by installing a wood room. Whether you have a long and backyard or a small balcony or wooden dome can create a symbolically transforming behave in wood indoor and outdoor life. Enjoy the natural charming of wood, white, relax, or entertainment glass in your private products. Remember the key to incorporated wood into your house decor is balance Max wood with other max like relax and glass to creating a harmonious and well created space. Ideally consider the overall color point and consider the overall color point and style of your house and insist that the wood hiding ball similarly with the spell decor. With those easy wood home idea, you can create a cozy, invite and style living space, ambition the natural beauty and versatile versatile of wood and transforming your house into a home that your life come back to every day.